Good morning, everyone.
Winter in Paris is quiet. The city slows down, the cold stretches the nights longer, and the streets feel emptier. Maybe that's why we search for something to fill the silence. Paris makes loneliness feel poetic. We wander through places that make us feel something. Old paintings, forgotten sculptures, the kind of stillness that reminds you time is passing. Being an expat does that to you. You start looking for meaning in everything. You trade the comfort of home for the thrill of something new. But you don't realize how cold the in-between can be. The kind of cold that doesn't go away with layers. Some nights, the loneliness feels like a film playing out in real time. The kind where you don't mind being alone because the city keeps you company. And sometimes, you chase the thrill. Music loud enough to drown out your thoughts. A crowd big enough to make you feel small. For a moment, you belong to something bigger. But then the night ends, and you're back in the quiet, wondering if you'll ever get tired of chasing moments that don't last. Maybe this is what your 20s are about. Learning to love things that are temporary. Finding meaning in things that don't need to mean anything at all. Winter in Paris is lonely, but maybe loneliness isn't something to fear. It's something to feel. It means you're here, you're alive, and you're still searching for the next moment to chase.